So a bad tragedy that happened. The GOAT, aka Black Mamba, aka it's Kobe in general, has passed away in a tragedy. An airplane crash. That, like, all my life I've been saying, Kobe. I'll make a shot, Kobe. I'll throw something in trash, Kobe. Like, Kobe was like my idol, my mentor. He was like my favorite player, and now he's just gone, just like that. And it's crazy, because 1 minute, he was alive, going to his daughter's basketball game, and now he's gone. RP to Kobe and Gianna. And it's crazy, because I've been watching him since 2010 to 2011, when he was still in the league, before he retired. But it's crazy, and he just retired too. So it's like, it's also crazy because he retired and now he's gone. Like when I heard about that, I was playing 2K, and I got off 2K, and my brother was like, "Oh, Kobe died." I was like, "Nah, you lying." And I looked all over social media, Twitter, and it was trending. And then it came up on CNN that Kobe died. I was heartbroken. Like, I was crying. I was emotional, because that's like my favorite. That's still, to this day, still my favorite player, Kobe Bryant. And he was my mentor. He helped me, motivated, and it's crazy. 1 minute he's alive, 1 minute he's gone, just like that. But don't take anything for granted. Always keep on pushing. If you want to work towards your goal, keep pushing towards your goal. Don't let it go away. Hold on to it and keep, going into the path that you want to go to succeed in life. And Kobe always pushed himself. He never gave up. He always pushed himself. Even when he was hurt or anything, he still pushed himself. I just want to say my last final words about Kobe. He was a great player, a great hero. He was a great everything, basically. Great basketball player, anything. And now he's gone. R.I.P. Kobe. R.I.P. to his daughter Gianna.